So the Are You Game Pinot Noir. Let's take a quick look at the label. So firstly, the label is a really striking image of a duck. The reason they picked a duck is because Pinot Noir is a perfect pairing for duck. But a quick think about the actual wine first. So the wine is not 100% Pinot Noir, but it's only a very small percent of another grape variety, typically Sangiovese, but that can change depending on the vintage. But because it's such a small percentage of Sangiovese, they only need to declare the wine as Pinot Noir. So it's Pinot Noir, a slight blend of a second variety. In this case, it's Sangiovese. So the wine style is typical of a Pinot Noir. It's quite light. It's very red fruit dominant, so strawberries, cherries, etc. But this particular Pinot Noir has a little bit more tannin, a little bit more body, and a little bit more structure to really help it pair with some of the slightly more meatier foods like lamb or even verging towards a steak. Food pairing wise, Pinot Noir, especially New World Pinot Noir, pairs really well with a range of foods. Obviously duck is the perfect pairing, but also something like a roast chicken, or as we mentioned, a lamb dish, or even something like a pasta with a tomato sauce. In terms of origin, this wine comes from a place called Straggy, which is about 2 hours north of Melbourne. Service wise, the wine should be served in a standard brasserie wine glass.